In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use Docusign to manage your documents effectively. We've all encountered scenarios where we need to sign documents electronically, whether for professional or personal reasons. Docusign provides a seamless, secure way to do this, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's head over to the Docusign website. You can access it by opening your browser and typing in the URL, or using the app if you have it installed. It's important to log in with your credentials to ensure you have access to your documents and the full set of features available. Once you've logged in, navigate to any document that already contains a signature. For demonstration purposes today, I'll walk you through a typical agreement. You'll want to choose an existing document from your drafts folder that already has a signature. This helps in showcasing how you can manage and adjust the signatures when necessary. Now, with your document open, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you should see various fields that you can interact with. Among these is the signature field, which is crucial for today's tutorial. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section, as it houses all the tools necessary to customize your document's signature placement. Next, click on the signature icon and prepare to drag it. You'll need to position the signature field precisely where you need it on your document. This action is as simple as clicking, holding, and moving your cursor until the signature field sits perfectly in place. Once you're satisfied with its position, release the mouse button to set it in place. Lastly, after ensuring that all necessary adjustments have been made to your document, go back to the Agreements section within Docusign. This is where all your documents are neatly organized. Navigating back to this area ensures that your document is saved in the correct location, making it easy to find and share with others when needed. And there you have it. Navigating through Docusign and managing your document's signatures can be done efficiently by following these straightforward steps. It's about using the tools available to ensure your documents remain organized and easily accessible. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore the platform further. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.